So let me introduce you to the back end of YBR Anytime. It's super easy and such a great way to connect and keep on the ball. So this is the sales page you may encounter. If you're already a member and you ever get this, all you have to do is come up to this corner thing here and sign in. So I'm already a member, so I'm just gonna get in here, sign in with password, do it again, boom. And you also can send you a link so that you can sign in. This is just sort of like some featured content that you're going to encounter. And then we have different categories. These are the replays of the live studio. I have a little section here that if you're new to YBR, you may want to start here. These are free access videos, so if you have friends, you want to turn them on to it, just tell them, to go to YBR Anytime, and there's some free content they can have a look at. I also have a YouTube channel that they can do that as well. Then I have 30-minute, and then every category, abdominals, adductors, on and on, face, feet, all of that, okay? So you can do standalone videos or longer form content. And so this is sort of like your home button. It's going to take you back to this screen if you ever get lost. The catalog is here. We're already in there, right? So if you're in another one and you hit catalog, it's going to take you to the videos. The community is great. You can pop questions into me about any of this stuff. I usually have pre-registration for my Zoom classes. You can always hop on at any time, but it's nice to pre-register. The dashboard is going to take you into the back end of your information. So things like changing, like you get a new credit card, you want to change your information, or you get a new address or new email, you can do all that. Invite a friend's a cool feature. If you get somebody to sign up through Invite a Friend, then you get a free month of YBR Anytime. So, or it's going to be credited to your account. If you don't have the app downloaded already and you're a member, you can do that right here for iPhone and Android. And that just gives you that flexibility of having the YBR Anytime app at a touch of a button. The whole catalog, just like this, is there. And I'm going to show you a tutorial of that too. There's your sign out if you want to sign out. And this just takes you back to my Body Rolling Dianne Glass, where you can find other offerings like retreats, paid workshops, in-depth trainings, like the Rolling the Meridians. So there you have it. I'm just going to go back, member login when you're here. It takes you back to YBR Anytime. And that's how it works. I'm going to take you through the mobile app next and hope to see you on the ball soon. Thanks for watching.